Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I've done several videos on this, but a friend of mine asked how I sent him back the file. He was engraving it, and it all, if he's using like Enduro Mark, this white is going to basically engrave, so you need to get rid of it. So we've got 356 objects. I'm going to go to Group and Ungroup, and then I'm going to open up under Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, Edit Query, go to Uniform Fill, and then tap right on the text and go to Uniform Color, get your eyedropper tool, and grab part of that white. It is an RGB white. And then hit OK, and then put Find All, and then just hit your delete button. And now everything that's black is going to be black and everything else is not there. Pretty cool logo. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.